everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is kind of a sad day. It's Kubby Brewster, our beloved kitty cat. It's his last day with us. We're going to have him humanely put down here at home tomorrow. So I decided that I'm taking the day off from my computer work and I'm going to spend it in the garden. And I'm starting with a very cathartic experience, also known as weeding. Weeding an area that desperately needs it before the winter weeds go to seed. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse, and if you enjoy watching things get accomplished in a rapid speed, I think you may enjoy this video. Well, my morning of weeding extended into this big shrub border. Not only did I get it all weeded, but I also cut a lot of plants back, including those knockout roses that I absolutely loathe. We didn't dig them out, but their stumps are low. That horrible holly that is from a root sucker, some original Carissa hollies that were in this bed. David's been busy mowing and edging, so all the beds look neat and tidy. And now, just to fill in the gaps of the open mulch space, I'm going to toss down some buckwheat and crimson clover seed. And I've done this in years past, and it really helps make it so that I don't have to weed for the rest of the season. So I've got my last 2 seed packets that are packaged for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and plant them, because in other beds it's all starting to germinate, and I know it will be really beautiful, but also really help with maintenance, because weeding this bed is not really the funnest thing to do. So I am basically just going to take the package and just spread it out. In any of the open areas, I'm going to focus primarily along edges. I'm also going to try and get some seeds there in the middle. Well, I'm wishing you all the best, and I hope that you all will give your pets some extra love. We're here just kind of mourning the loss of Kubby, who's been the world's greatest cat, but he's trained all the rest of our crew, and you know, we've certainly had enough times in our lives where we've had to make this decision, so it's always the ethical decision. But anyhow, I hope you'll find solace in your gardens, and it's a great excuse to get outside and weed. Well, as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.